12 surprising reasons why turnips are better than any other foods. Turnips' nutrition and benefits. Turnips, often overlooked in favor of more popular root vegetables like carrots and potatoes, are a nutritional powerhouse, with a variety of health benefits. This humble vegetable has been cultivated for thousands of years, and is celebrated for its versatility in cooking, and its numerous health-promoting properties. Let's explore the health benefits of turnips, and why they deserve a place in your diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Safeguarding the liver. Turnips contain various organic compounds, including glucosinolates, isothiocyanates, flavonoids, phenols, indoles, volatile substances, and sulfur-based components, which may exhibit antioxidant properties. These compounds in turnips might decrease the likelihood of liver damage and potentially aid in preserving its structure and function. Number 2. Supporting kidney health. Turnips may contribute to protecting against kidney damage. They contain compounds, such as flavonoids, which might possess antioxidant qualities, and lessen oxidative stress in the kidneys, thereby offering protection. Number 3. Diabetes management. Turnips may be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. They contain various constituents like quercetin, indole, and alkaloids, which might be responsible for their potential anti-diabetic effects. A study conducted on mice suggested that turnips could exhibit anti-diabetic activity against type 2 diabetes. However, it is important to monitor blood sugar levels regularly and consult a healthcare professional if high sugar levels are detected. Number 4. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Turnips may help lower cancer risk due to their composition of substances that could prevent DNA damage and decrease the likelihood of tumors and cancers developing in the body. These vegetables might enhance the body's ability to eliminate harmful chemicals. Number 5. Fight against bacterial and fungal infections. The popularity of natural antimicrobial agents has grown due to increased drug resistance and side effects. Turnips might be effective against fungal and bacterial infections because they contain elements such as quercetin, glucosinolates, isothiocyanates, flavonoids, phenols, indoles, volatile compounds, sulfur-based substances, and other biologically active components. Number 6. Pain and inflammation reduction. Turnips may offer relief from discomfort. These vegetables contain natural pain-reducing compounds, including flavonoids. Research conducted on mice suggests that turnips might have pain-alleviating properties. Various factors, such as external triggers, irritants, or foreign organisms, can cause bodily inflammation. The flavonoids in turnips may also help decrease swelling. Number 7. Rich in nutrients and low in calories. Turnips are low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. A 100-gram serving of raw turnip contains only about 28 calories, yet it is packed with essential nutrients. Turnips are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, calcium, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients contribute to overall health and help in maintaining various bodily functions. Number 8. Cholesterol management. Turnips might contribute to lowering harmful cholesterol levels through their antioxidant activity. Natural antioxidants found in turnips, such as quercetin, tocopherols, ascorbic acid, and beta-carotene, may assist in breaking down low-density lipoproteins. This process could potentially result in reduced LDL levels within the body. Number 9. Potential benefits during pregnancy. Turnip greens contain significant amounts of folic acid and iron, which are crucial for expectant mothers. Consuming this root vegetable regularly, alongside other green leafy vegetables, can assist pregnant women in meeting their daily nutritional needs. Number 11. Improve brain injury. Turnips possess various medicinal properties, including potential benefits for brain development. They might aid in reducing brain damage caused by oxygen deficiency. Research on mice suggests that turnip extracts could potentially decrease brain damage, reduce harmful substances, and restore cellular functions affected by oxygen deprivation. The vegetable may activate specific cellular pathways that protect the brain from injury due to reduced blood flow. Number 12. Potential relief for cold symptoms. Traditionally, turnips have been used to address headaches and chest discomfort. While scientific evidence is limited regarding its effectiveness in treating colds, some anecdotal reports suggest that turnips may help in loosening mucus. Well, that is all about the health benefits of turnip. However, here are some frequently asked questions about turnip. Let's check it out. Question 1. How do you eat turnips? Turnips can be eaten in a variety of ways. They can be boiled, roasted, mashed, or even eaten raw in salads. Both the root and the greens are edible, with the greens often used in soups, stews, or sautéed as a side dish. Question 2. Are turnips and rutabagas the same? No, turnips and rutabagas are not the same, though they are often confused. Turnips are generally smaller, with white or purple skin and white flesh. Rutabagas are larger, have yellowish flesh, and a thicker skin that is often yellow or brown. Question 3. What dishes can I make with turnips? Turnips can be used in a wide range of dishes, such as turnip soup, roasted turnips, mashed turnips, turnip gratin, and turnip salad. They can also be added to stews, casseroles, or roasted vegetable medleys. Question 4. Do turnips have any culinary substitutes? Yes, if you don't have turnips on hand, you can substitute them with rutabagas, radishes, or parsnips in most recipes. Each substitute will offer a slightly different flavor and texture, but they are generally interchangeable. Question 5. Are turnips safe for pets to eat? Yes, turnips are generally safe for pets like dogs to eat in moderation. However, it's always best to consult with your vet before introducing new foods to your pet's diet. Turnips should be served plain, without added seasonings or butter. Question 6. Who should avoid turnips? Individuals with thyroid issues should be cautious about consuming turnips. This vegetable contains substances that might impact thyroid gland function and interfere with hormone production. Question 7. Is turnip high in uric acid? Turnips, similar to beetroot, contain substantial amounts of oxalates. Higher oxalate content can lead to increased uric acid production in the body. Question 8. Are turnips beneficial for skin health? Turnip greens contribute to skin and hair health due to their high vitamin A content. This vitamin is crucial for the development of all body tissues, including skin and hair. Additionally, it plays a part in the production of sebum, which helps keep hair hydrated. Question 9. Can you eat turnip skin? Peeling turnips before cooking is not mandatory. If the skin appears thin, it can be left on during cooking. However, if the skin feels thick and tough, it can be removed using a sharp knife or vegetable peeler. Both the roots and leaves, commonly referred to as turnip greens, are safe for consumption. Question 10. Do turnips give you gas? Several vegetables and fruits may lead to gas production, including lettuce, apples, turnips, lentils, parsnips, rutabagas, onions, Brussels sprouts, garlic, and leeks. Foods rich in sulfur, such as cauliflower, tend to produce more pungent gas. Question 11. Does turnip increase hemoglobin? The greens of turnips might aid in treating anemia due to their high iron content. Iron plays a crucial role in increasing the production of red blood cells and elevating hemoglobin levels. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.